In this guide, you will learn how to remove floating icons from games on your Google Pixel phone. These icons can often be distracting and may originate from various apps that add overlays to your screen during gameplay. Begin by identifying the source of the floating icon. While you are playing a game, take a moment to observe the icon on your screen. It might be related to a game booster, a screen recorder, or another third-party application. To gather more information, try tapping on the icon. This action may reveal options or settings related to the app responsible for the floating icon, which is crucial for the next steps. Once you have identified the app, navigate to the Settings application on your phone. Within the Settings menu, find and select Apps to view a list of all installed applications. Scroll through this list until you locate the app that is creating the floating icon. After tapping on the app, you will enter its settings. Look for options labeled Overlay, Floating Widget, or Game Tools. If you see any of these features enabled, disable them. This action should effectively remove the floating icon from your screen while you are gaming. If the floating icon persists after disabling those features, the next step is to disable overlay permissions. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find Special App Access, which may be located under the Advanced section. Tap on Display over other apps. In this section, you will see a list of apps that have permission to display content over other applications. Locate the app responsible for the floating icon and toggle off its permission. This step prevents the app from displaying any floating elements on your screen. After making these changes, it is advisable to restart the game to confirm that the floating icon has been removed. This ensures that the settings adjustments take effect properly. As you resume gameplay, you should notice that the distracting floating icon is no longer present, allowing for a more immersive experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial